Hi friends, I want to have a look at the stabilization in DaVinci Resolve. I have here some footage of a walk video, what I do on a daily basis. So let's have a look here in the inspector and then let's go to the stabilization. Click activate it, and then first I want to deactivate the zoom. I just want to see what it actually does, and I already experimented with it and I found that the perspective is in this kind of footage the way to go. Also, similarity delivered very good results, and yeah, translation, I really didn't see any benefit in that. But just let's have a look with standard settings, the crop ratio and the smoothness and the strength. So let's stabilize this. It goes very quickly. Can be that I just have a fast system. So let's have a look. And when we now activate the zoom, it will zoom in so that the black parts will be outside of the visible frame. It actually does a very good job. Let's reset that and have a look at what it does when we change the crop ratio. Set the crop ratio to 1. It actually doesn't do anything, because the less crop ratio you have, the less room it has to correct the shake. So if I go all the way to the left and then stabilize again, then we will see that it is much stronger now when I turn on the zoom. We'll see that the result is even better than it was before. And then we can have a look at the smoothness. I want to have it like that. And now I want to see if there's a difference. Let's go to an extreme. Reset everything. Go with the smoothness all the way to the right, to the full 1. And now have it stabilize again. We see that it zooms in a lot more. And there is not much smoothness. So the higher the number, the less of the value we have. We turn off the zoom. We see that there is not much smoothness. So I just go with the standard settings. I know that if you choose camera lock, you should only do that if you have minimum shake in your footage. For example, if you have set your camera on a tripod and there is some shake for whatever reasons, then you should use camera lock. But for what I see here with this footage, the best way to go is just with the standard settings that it comes with, and then in this case choose perspective. I actually am quite surprised about the quality, because I jerk the camera around a lot when I do this walk. I really didn't thought that stabilization would save anything, but it does. Maybe this helps you in any way. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.